think it's about done. Yummy. So this was some garlic fries made by me, and it is half a teaspoon, or half a tablespoon I guess, of, what kind of oil is that? Half a tablespoon of sesame oil, which is right here. And this was 3 potatoes, chopped up. Added some Epicure garlic aoele, with a teaspoon of that, just sprinkle it over. Some fresh chive, and some roasted onion from Epicure. So now I'm going to plate it. I got my garlic aoele dip. I'll just take, this thing comes right out, so it makes it easier to pop it out. You hear that? It's nice and so nothing really sticks to it. It's perfect. Here's my timer, and I'm ready to eat. As you can see, it's not super crunchy, but more oil will make it super more crunchy, but still a lot more crunchy than I'd get just in the oven. Other pieces, smaller pieces that are thinner, of course, are still crunchy. And it is very good.